Unleashed Inventory Management Review. Best for small businesses. Managing inventory efficiently can make or break a small business, and Unleashed promises a solution in 2025. But is it the best option? Unleashed is a cloud-based inventory management system that tracks stock, sales, and orders in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume basic spreadsheets are enough, but Unleashed automates stock alerts, reorder points, and multi-warehouse management. You won't believe what happens next. It even integrates with accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks, reducing manual entry and errors. Its dashboard offers insights into profitability, stock turnover, and product performance, helping owners make data-driven decisions. Mobile access lets you manage inventory on the go, which is essential for small business owners juggling multiple tasks. Pricing is subscription-based and scales with the number of users and warehouses. While it may seem like an investment, the time and accuracy gains often pay for themselves quickly. So, is Unleashed right for your small business? If you need automated inventory tracking, multi-channel integrations, and real-time insights, it's an excellent choice. For very simple operations, a basic system might suffice, but Unleashed scales as your business grows. The surprising truth is that good inventory management isn't just about tracking stock. It can save money, prevent lost sales, and give your small business the competitive edge it needs.